So we have Ravi Shashank Ashwin from the winning Delhi Capitals. Ashwin, your first question. Delhi Capitals are at the top of the table after this win. What are your thoughts on keeping the momentum going? What are the things that DC is doing right?
No, I think we've got a pretty good side, and everybody is putting their hand up. And I thought initially we were a bit rusty getting into the tournament, and even for me, it's been like 5 games for me to get my first 4 overs out. It's been quite an interesting year. Came really charged up and wanted to do. Got off to a splendid start, and then I've just bowled 4 overs for the first time today. So interesting. Everybody's chipping in, and I still think the biggest positive is a lot of room for improvement is still there. So I think we will get there at the back end of the tournament.
So your next question, let's speak about bowling for the next few questions. Akshar Patel has been one of the most economical bowlers. He also took 2 wickets. How crucial has his bowling been? What has been the preparation? What's the discussion with the bowling unit?
So sometimes what happens in T20 cricket is we tend to blow up images and stats and numbers of bowlers who get the wickets and the purple cap, even likewise at the orange cap. And sometimes I feel it is a little too overrated in a game like T20 because it is somewhat like your football where people are playing their roles. And one such player is Akshar, right? He always goes under the radar because he bowls those good overs, builds the pressure up for someone else to capitalize on the wicket. So these are heroes that get really appreciated inside the dressing room for us in Delhi Capitals, and Ricky is very particular on that. And we stick to the roles, and when you get appreciated, people want to hold on to their roles.
Ashwin, your next question. Amit Mishra is injured and he's out of the tournament. How has the coaching staff changed the plans for the bowling unit going forward?
Look, that's one of the beauty of this particular Delhi Capital side, I think, because even when my shoulder dislocated, Amit came in and played the role, and now he is injured, Akshar has come in and played the role. So there is enough strength in that bench, and sometimes when it comes to the IPL, the bench, people coming off that bench become very, very important, and that bench is probably good enough to be another IPL team as well. It's got that sort of a quality. So I would think Amit will be dearly missed in this team. He's a legend in the IPL. So moving forward, I think we will definitely try our best to keep Amit happy at home.
Moving a little bit to the batting unit, Prithvi Shaw, another really good day in the field. What are the changes he has made to adapt himself better in these conditions and in this IPL?
Look, Prithvi is a phenomenal talent, and I don't think we need to be talking too much about techniques of batsmen here, because sometimes technique of batsmen is just overrated. I feel everybody has got a unique technique, and Prithvi hits the ball. When Prithvi hits the ball makes a lovely sound of the bat, and he's a really, really special talent. It just depends on which side of the bed he wakes up and how well he plays. He's been hitting the ball beautifully in the last couple of games, and I'm looking forward to better things from him as the tournament goes on.
Ashwin, last question. Marcus Stoinis. How wonderful he has been for you guys. A couple of games in Dubai, he's been brilliant. 53 again, with a strike rate of about 200. What has he been doing in practice? What has he been eating?
Look, I think he's become extremely strong. That's first thing as far as Marcus goes, and he's been playing the IPL for different teams over the last couple of seasons, and he's obviously improved over the last 2 years, and finally a really, really excellent Stoinis has reached Delhi Capitals, and that's what I must say. The team environment has been great for him to go out there and express himself, and Stoinis has been phenomenal. And Dubai being our home ground, we play 7 games here, and Stoinis has been amazing in the last 2 games that we played at Dubai. So I look forward to keeping my fingers crossed for him.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations.